Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create another 3D glass panel window design in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Go new drawing file, view control, select top, visual style control, select 2D frame, go coordinates, click here, select view, grid turn off, drawing units, UN enter, length decimal, precision 0, insertion scale, set millimeters, OK, current view orientation scale set 1 to 1, rectangle, rec enter, first corner point, dimension D enter, 1200 enter, 1350 enter, click here, Z enter, A enter, zoom all, move M enter, select object. Okay, now go offset O enter, 50 millimeter enter, line L enter, exit offset 300 enter, offset 50 enter, line L enter, offset 25 millimeter, rectangle, rec enter, repeat rectangle, offset 65, line L enter, offset 12.5 millimeter, rectangle, repeat rectangle, distance DI enter, 395, go calculator, 395 deduct 50 equal, divide 3 enter, 115, line L enter, offset 115, repeat offset 25, copy, select object, base point, line L enter, distance DI enter, 770, exit, go calculator, 770 deduct 50 equal, divide 3 enter, 240, offset 240 enter, repeat offset 25, copy, select object, base point, okay, exit, circle, center point, radius, offset 25, trim, mirror, mirror line, enter, trim, delete line, delete, trim, enter, delete line, trim again, enter, delete rectangle, joint J, enter, select lines, enter, okay, joint, trim, enter, repeat trim, okay. Okay, now go view control, select stabilize geometric, go press full, click here, multiple M, enter, click here, enter, 75mm height, enter, go union, select solid, enter, go isolate object, hide solid, again go press pull, select multiple M, enter, select, enter, 25mm, enter, okay, again press full, select object, multiple M, enter, select, enter, height 5mm, enter, quick select object area, enter, object type 3D solid, okay, M, enter, move, base point, second point, now go visualize, material browser, click here, AutoCAD library, click here, select glass, blue glazing, select material, drag and drop, AutoCAD library, select wood, select mahogany natural low gloss, drag and drop, select mahogany natural polished, drag and drop, okay, again go quick select object area, enter, object type 3D solid, okay, now go material, select blue glazing, go visual style control, select realistic, select sash, select mahogany natural low gloss, okay, go unisolate object, end object isolation, select 3D frame, select material mahogany natural polished, okay, go visual style control, 2D wireframe, exit from material browser, quick select Q, select object area, enter, object type 3D solid, okay, move and enter, base point, second point, again quick select object, enter, object type 3D solid, okay, copy CO, enter, base point, second point, exit, now go home, select 3D, select similar, go 3D rotate, select plane, okay, angle 90, enter, again quick select, select object area, select, enter, object type 3D solid, okay, 3D move, select axis, okay, select line, delete, okay, now go polysolid, width W, enter, 250, enter, height H, enter, 2750, enter, click here, enter, okay, go line L, enter, 750, enter, 600, enter, 1350, enter, 1200, enter, 1350, click here, okay, enter, delete, go visual style control, realistic, press full, select, okay, exit, select line, delete, move, M, enter, select object, base point, press F8, type from, enter, click here, press F8, 50 millimeter, enter, okay, let's see. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.